Hello again, wrestling fans, and welcome to another hour of exciting wrestling action here on 5-Star Wrestling. We have got outstanding matches on our card for this particular show. You'll get to see tag team action with the Junkyard Dog and Mike George in action, going against Devastation Incorporated. Also, Black Olympia will be on the card. And you will also get a chance to see a mixed tag team bout featuring the Ladies World's Champion, Rockin' Robin, and her tag partner, that being Sam Houston. So we have plenty of action, and let's get ready for our opening match at this time.
Out of the red corner, weighing 230 pounds from Los Angeles, California, Buddy Landell.
Buddy Landell, pal.
Nature Boy Buddy Landell. His partner, weighing in 260 pounds from Borneo, the Beast. Their manager, the General, Skandor Akbar. Weighing in at 255 pounds from St. Joe, Missouri, Mike George. His partner, weighing in at 295 pounds from Charlotte, North Carolina, the Junkyard Dog.
Devastation Incorporated taking on the team of Mike George, who happens to be the WWA champion, and his tag partner, none other than the man that likes to gnaw that bone, Junkyard Dog, Buddy Landell, and the Beast from the stable of Skandor Akbar, going to be tested, and we might add tested severely in this particular matchup, because you have got good competition on both sides of the ring. It will be the Beast from Borneo starting against the thumper, JYD. He drives that left right to the upper part of the chest. Dog never flinched. Both continue to switch with the twisting top wrist locks. Good camera shot again as our 5-star cameraman and direction brings you right into the action, right like you're in the middle of the ring yourself. Skandor Akbar pacing on the outside as he looks over the situation, and I would say not very happy at the present time with the way his team is operating against the team of the Junkyard Dog and Mike George. There's the tag between the two as they work on the Beast. Mike George again driving that forearm right to the midsection, and you can hear that one all over the auditorium. Driving the Beast into the turnbuckle. Of course, the Landell and Junkyard Dog matchup, one of the hot heated rivalries as far as 5-star wrestling is concerned, because there's no love between the two. Landell sneaking into the ring, being escorted out by referee Jack Howe. And the Dog and George pulled a fast one themselves. George continues to drive those hard forearms into the body of the Beast. Beautiful suplex. Side headlock. George really locking it in. Now top wrist lock by the Beast. Beast gets George off his feet, makes the tag with Buddy Landell. Interesting enough will be if, oh, good chop by Landell. Good, solid, hard chop. He's driven into the turn. Then the hip toss, and now Landell runs for cover just as quick as JYD was tagged in. Landell wanted no part. You see him more or less taunting the dog right now, pushing the Beast into him. He wants no part of Junkyard Dog. Dog working on the Beast. Headbutt right to the top of the head. JYD trying to rearrange the face of the Beast right now. There's the tag with Mike George. Beast coming off the ropes with the kick. Now driving that arm and fist into the body of Mike George. Landell now in. Whips George off the back body drop. And a solid one, too. Stuns George for a moment. Head rammed into the foot of the Beast as Landell and the Beast make the tag. This one is seesawed back and forth. Oh, George with a hard clothesline. Coming off the ropes, gets the tag with the thumper. JYD comes in with lefts and rights. Floors the Beast. Now the headbutt again puts him on his back on the canvas. Good tag team action by the team of JYD and George. Here comes Landell in. George swinging away. Driving that fist right to the side of the jaw. Landell out of the ring. Now George is out. And we've got the bell sounding, and probably a double disqualification. We'll have to wait and get the official ruling. But this one is more or less out of hand. Landell is working on Mike George on the outside. He has repeatedly rammed him into that steel post in the turnbuckle, and there you see Skandor Akbar working on George. Junkyard Dog out of the ring now, trying to protect his partner. Here's the official decision on the match from Richard Condon.
It has been ruled no pinfall disqualification.